If you're deploying hardware in the real world, you need a new kind of software. This is EightyOne, the Operation First software suite. EightyOne gives operations teams full visibility into inventory, deployment, and maintenance, all in one place, made for ops. From the moment a device arrives at your warehouse, EightyOne tracks where it is, who has it, and all the way to activation at the client's site. And from there, it keeps you informed throughout the device's operational lifecycle. Deployment and maintenance are managed using geographical tools that help you assign the right job to the right person at the right time. Every real-world action your technicians take is captured, standardized, and stored as operational data, not lost in messages or memory. EightyOne integrates into your existing tech stack, sharing execution data with sales and finance, so you can analyze, optimize, and scale your operations at the speed of SaaS. Stop running your operations on assumptions. Run them on what's actually happening with EightyOne.